What's poppin', pretty posse? It's your girl Jasmine, and I am back with another video. In this video, I am about to relax this wig, okay? This wig is just, listen, the top is so frizzy, it gets so puffy. It is Vietnamese-based hair. I did sew this unit on the sewing machine, and in this next clip, you're going to see, excuse my face, y'all, but look, it's always like this, honestly. Like, any time I put this unit on, I flat iron it, it still gets back puffy at the top, and I just cannot take it. Again, it is Vietnamese based hair. I bought this hair when I was testing out some different vendors. The hair is generally good. It's just causing me too much agony. So as you can see here, I mean, honey, it is just through. So I have decided that I am going to relax a portion of my wig. I'm not going to do the, like, you know, a really deep relaxer on it, but I am going to kind of brush the relaxer through so that it can be straighter, and we can take away the fact that, you know, it gets really puffy and, you know, unruly. If I don't have a brush with me, it is going to be a sad day. Okay, so I've decided this is what I need to do, is to go ahead and put, you know, this wig up, and as it's resting and when it's time to put on my head, it is ready to go. So I am mixing up this relaxer. I got one of those retouch packets you can get from the hair store, really cheap, like $2.99. I believe it was the regular strength, and I'm really just brushing it or combing it through the hair. I'm putting it in big sections. I really just want the hair to have a straighter appearance versus being puffy. This is really somebody's real hair, though. I will say that. This is somebody's real hair, because let me tell you, it reacts to humidity very fast. Very fast. I could freshly flat iron this unit every day, and it probably still be puffy. So as you can see, I am just working that relaxer through the unit. I'm just combing it through, allowing it, you know, to penetrate the strands a little bit. I really did not leave it on for that long. I would say probably about, like, honestly, like 8 to 10 minutes. It was not on there long at all once I actually applied it to the whole unit. So once I finished letting the relaxer sit on the unit, I did go ahead and shampoo it out using a neutralizing shampoo. I have an Oars just laying around the salon. I had an Oars neutralizing shampoo, and then I used the silicone mix as the conditioner. So I went ahead and shampooed that out. As you know, the neutralizing shampoo should give you some type of detection as to if there's relaxer still left in the hair. You know what I mean? So, yep, I went ahead and just shampooed that on out after it had set for a little bit. And now I am going to set it to sit under the dryer, because I wanted it to go ahead and dry so I can go ahead and style it and move on about my day. So as you can see, it definitely has a straighter appearance. I noticed immediately that the hair felt very straight, and I was very happy about that, because that is what I wanted to go for. I just put some mousse on there, let that mold down the hair, so that way when I pull it from under the dryer, it is nice and flat at the top, and I won't necessarily have to do too much, you know, flattening up there. So here it is, fresh out from under the dryer. I am really satisfied that it really kept most of its texture, honestly. As you can see, it still got a little bit of wave to it. This hair is not bad hair. I just personally do not prefer this bender because, like I said, this texture and some of the other textures that I received was not, you know, that well. But I always make a wig for myself and then keep it, you know, because why not? But the hair does straighten very well. As you can see, I mean, it is just going bone straight. Like, it is doing what it needs to do. So I'm going to let you all enjoy the rest of this video, and I will show you all what it looks like at the end. Stay tuned. If you like this video, make sure that you put a thumbs up on it. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you do so, okay? So that you can keep up with what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. right now I've been on the road. If y'all haven't noticed, I have been posting a video every week. I'm super proud of myself. Shout out to anybody that just recently started a YouTube channel or, you know, that is working on their channel. It is a lot of work. Keep creating, keep being great, you know, and keep showing the world your talents, man. People love to see it. So it is time to put this unit on, and as you can see, honey, it is flowing. Okay, it is straight, and that is what I wanted. I wanted it to be straight. As you can see, I have my tags and my wigs. I always put a tag in my own personal wigs, even if it's not the hair that I'm selling, but this is my wig, okay? All of my glueless wigs come with an elastic band. This would be considered a custom unit because I did create this unit on the sewing machine. And honestly, a glueless wig is just so easy. Listen, you put that band behind the back of your neck and you flip that wig on, okay? This hair did great with the relaxer, okay? I would, if you are planning on doing something like this at home, make sure that your hair can take relaxer, okay? I'm not going to say that all, you know, hair can take chemical, but I will say that this hair was strong enough to do so, and I feel like it's because it is of a, you know, stronger texture. I love Vietnamese hair. Their hair is super strong and super dense, and yeah, I love it. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you are subscribed. Put a like on it if you like it. And yes, I will catch you all again next week.